Google just shipped Gemini Omni, a model that turns any input into any output. For regulated work, the trust layer just got harder. For 2 years, generative models moved toward multimodal capability, but mostly in narrow pairs: text to image, image to text, audio to transcript. Each lane was distinct: evidence systems, identity verification, regulatory filings, court exhibits, all built on the quiet assumption that a video clip, an audio recording, a screenshot carried default weight. That assumption has been eroding for 2 years. Each model release moves the baseline further. The institutions that depend on media as evidence have not caught up. Google announced Gemini Omni, a model The Verge describes in a hands-on as anything to anything: text, image, audio, and video flow in any direction through a single system. The hands-on focuses on video generation, including face replacement and voice cloning rendered at quality the reviewer flagged as indistinguishable from authentic capture. Google positions this as the next step in unified multimodal capability. The reviewer focused on a different framing. The tools to generate convincing fake video of any person are now packaged inside a consumer product. The technical achievement is real. The release timing matters more than the capability. For tribal councils, federal compliance teams, regulated filings practices, the threat from anything to anything generation is not what they can produce. It is what shows up in their inbox: a deposition video, a witness statement, a vendor invoice with a signature. Provenance now matters more than content. The harness pattern handles this by owning the workflow that processes evidence: a custom agentic system running on chosen infrastructure with verification steps wired in at intake. Local inference for sensitive documents, frontier inference for general reasoning, both swappable. The point is not to outgenerate Google. The point is to own the intake gate where authenticity gets decided. The pushback writes itself. Watermarking will solve this. Detection tools will catch up. The threat is overstated. Each is partially true. Watermarking only works when the generator cooperates. Detection has consistently lagged generation by months, and the threat is not catastrophic. It is incremental. Each release lowers the cost of producing convincing synthetic evidence. The regulated workflow needs a verification layer that does not assume the generator is honest. That is an infrastructure choice, not a tool purchase. If your work touches evidence, filings, or counsel, and your trust model assumes the media you receive is what it claims to be, see SlipSpace AI, custom agentic AI harnessed around the verification gate your workflow actually needs.